If your Temu free gift offer is showing an expiration timer, don't start clicking random things. You've got one job first. Check the coupon on the screen, because if you're going to complete the offer anyway, there's no reason to leave a discount sitting there unused. Here's the order I'd follow. First, activate the coupon. Before you start browsing, before you pick your gifts, before you begin completing the offer, activate the code on the screen. That's become my first step because it gives me a chance to see the available coupon savings before I commit to anything. Second, open your free gift offer. Now go straight to the free gift section. Don't assume your screen will look exactly like someone else's. Temu can show different promotions, gifts, and requirements depending on the account, so follow what's actually appearing on your screen. Third, pick your gifts carefully. This is where people get distracted. They see free and immediately choose the most expensive looking item. I wouldn't do that. Pick something you genuinely want, because there's no point completing a promotion for something you'd never buy anyway. Fourth, check the requirements. Before you get too far into it, look at what your offer actually requires. You might see a qualifying purchase, a specific action, or another promotion condition. Read that part. Don't rely on somebody else's tutorial from 6 months ago. Your current offer is what matters. Fifth, use the coupon before checkout. If your promotion requires a qualifying order, this is where the coupon matters again. Check the available discount before placing the order. The goal isn't just to claim something labeled free, it's to make sure the whole deal makes sense. And here's the part I really want you to remember. Don't panic because you see an expiration timer. A timer doesn't mean you should start buying random products just to finish faster. It means you should check the actual deadline and requirements, then decide whether the offer is worth completing. If it is, go for it. If it isn't, let it expire. Saving money is still better than spending money just because a countdown made you nervous. The fast version coupon first. Open the free gift offer. Choose what you actually want, check the requirements, apply your available discount, then claim it before the stated deadline. That's the process I'd use. And one final reality check, the expiration time, gift selection, eligibility, and requirements can vary by promotion and account. So don't assume your timer matches someone else's. Check the offer currently displayed in your own Temu app. If your free gift offer is active right now, start with the coupon on the screen, then check your exact expiration timer and requirements before you claim it.